ingatan.
I thought you lady said there was fish.
Yeah, they have fish, but they're going in there.
Oh, you were too slow?
They're not coming.
Too slow, ladies. Too slow on the fish. No fish for you.
Look, your forest tree. So early.
Si bulinaw niya, naglakaw.
That boy jumped in the pool in his pajamas.
No, look, pajama na eh.
Alright, sorry ladies, I thought y'all had some fish. Too slow. You snooze, you lose, Fatima.
Forest, so early, forest.
Hey folks, good morning to everybody out there. No special plans for today. Figured I'd just pick up the camera, start filming. The ladies heard the fish guy go by. He was on a loudspeaker or something. Like, what's going on? All I know is they were they were jammed up at the front door trying to get out, and I had the deadbolt locked. Of course, you gotta have the key. They couldn't get out. I'm like, you gotta go around. They take off running around here. And by that time, the fish dude had already left the area. So, anyhow, I don't know where today is gonna take us. I figured I'd just pick up the camera and start talking. Tell y'all good morning. Good morning, good morning. It's about, I don't know, 5 minutes to 6, somewhere in there. Got roosters crowing, dogs barking. And I think in the bushes, a chipmunk was a turtle. What movie's that from? Hey, Forrest G, what you doing, buddy?
So early. He's in the water now. So cold.
Grandma going after the rice.
No, that's for 4G. He's been waiting yet. Look, oh my gosh.
That water's cold, too.
So cold, eh?
He don't care. He getting in the water. Look at him. He's shivering.
What is?
Go, buddy, bro. Forrest G won't eat rice without a little soy sauce. He wants oil, but we just pretend like we put the oil and then pretend like we put the salt. You still sleeping?
Yeah.
Get too sleepy, beauty.
What time did you sleep last night?
I don't know, it wasn't too late. After the Christmas movie.
Kanan kayo sa menu.
Fatima, who's responsible for this unauthorized fish purchase?
Palit daw mo ka, ma.
It's been reported to me, Grandma, that you made an unauthorized purchase of a fish. Let me see what you got. What kind of fish is that? A tuna? You got to see this unauthorized purchase here of a tuna. But, that's not a bad looking tuna. It's not a beautiful tuna. It's bleeding out a little bit, Grandma. Turn it to the side a little bit. There we go. Yeah, he doesn't look too bad. But this is clearly an unauthorized purchase of a fish.
Oh, this is fresh pa naman yun. Fresh ko pa.
Yeah, he looks fresh, right?
Taguran.
Yeah, he's still smiling.
Smile. Smile.
Yeah, it's nice.
Smile, please.
But what concerns me is
Yes, smile.
this was an unauthorized purchase.
Smile, please.
Where did the funds?
Wiki, wiki.
Where were the funds coming from to purchase this here fish?
Wiki wiki.
Ay, utang meron din na 100.
I knew there was some utang involved somewhere. Folks, if you have a Filipino wife, they're always going to be borrowing money. Now my brand new cooking gloves smell like a tuna.
Ma, ito naman, ito naman. Oh.
Ano yun?
So grandma borrowed the money, or you borrowed the money?
I borrowed money to build it. 100.
Okay, well, she owed me some money, so.
Sorry mo.
Go ahead, you may proceed, grandma. Action on the unauthorized fish. She needs a Gerber strong on her. Put the quarter blood technique.
That's called a quarter blood technique. You do that, a quarter blood will drop out of a person's body.
Honey, you know that utang is not authorized here in the kingdom, right?
Why? If I ask you, you have ang takbo mo ngayon.
How you gonna pay that money back?
You?
Me? Why I got to pay it back?
Gosh.
You were supposed to call me when the...
I already called you.
I didn't hear you.
I called you in there.
Okay, well, when I didn't come outside, did you think maybe you should call me again to come film this fish?
I thought you're busy, so... But I called many types. Santaku.
There you go, there's a finished product right there. Man, I think you burnt the fish. Grandma, did she burn the fish here or what? Love you, buddy. What you got cooking over there, baby girl?